Hello guys, this is Pathak Tech, and in my previous video I told you about some basic patterns, how to create patterns and many things. But in this video I'm going to tell you about concept of matrix. One more thing, that in my previous video I realized that I'm explaining you slow, very slow. So in this video I'm going to increase my speeds because it's very important. Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain you the concept of matrix, how you can create matrix, and trust me, if you will understand, if you will able to create matrix, and if you will able to understand the concept of matrix, then I'm going to take a guarantee that you can make patterns, and you can this is the basic things. When we are going to make programs, then you should know these things, because these are the basic things and this is the important things. So in this video we will understand the concept of matrix, how to create matrix, and in the last of this video I'm going to give you some exercise for you, so you should do it, that exercises. If you will do and if you will follow me, then I guarantee you that one day you will become a good programmer. Okay, so the prerequisites of this video, is to you should know some basic concept of the programming, like variables, about variables and loops, and this is enough, because I'm not going to classes, variables and loop. If you know these concepts, then this video is for you, because this is a basic concept of programming. If you have the basic concept of basic knowledge of programming, then you can watch this video. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. Let's start. So first of all, I'm going to give you some overview of matrix, how the matrix looks like, and how you can perform some operations on matrix. So first of all, in this video I will tell you the how to create matrix. Okay, so look here, this is the concept of matrix. This is the matrix, it is a matrix, and in this matrix we have 9 elements. Okay, so all elements indicating by index, its index. So the first this is the two-dimensional array. This is two-dimensional array. I will, if you don't know the one-dimensional array, then I will tell you in the next then comment me in the comment section. I will make one video on the arrays, and as I already told you that this video is for who has the basic programming knowledge skills. So for that, okay, so the two-dimensional array concept is going on the indexes. So in this matrix the index is going on like that. So the index of 1 is what? This is the matrix A. I have created two-dimensional array, and this is the matrix of two-dimensional array. So here you can one more things, that here this is two-dimensional array, so you have to put it and then equal to sign. Okay, so my triangle is not so good here, that's why I am writing this, so you can understand. So the first element 1, what is the index of 1? A0 0, and the second value is 2. What is the index of 0 1, and the third element is what? 3. So what is the index of 3? A0 2, like that, A1. So this is called rows, and this section is called columns. Okay, this section is called what? Rows, and this section is called columns. So the first row is what? A0 0. This is the matrix. A0 0 means what? If you want to access the element of first element, then what you have to write? You have to write A0 0, then A0 1. Okay, so it's enough for you. So let's start the program concept of making a matrix. Okay, so first of all we need to create one class. So class, and I'm going to name it as matrix matrix class, and in this class I'm going to create public public static and void main, and string. I'm going to explain everything in Java. You can write it in any language. If you know the concept of these things, then you can write it in any languages. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to create one array, one two-dimensional array. Okay, so this is name as, I'm going to name it as C is equals to new, and here you need to assign how many rows and how many columns you want. So I want 3 rows and 3 columns. This is for rows and this is for columns. So this is the basic concept of two-dimensional array. And now what we are going to do, we are going to create for loops int. Okay, now so int I start from 0 and I is going to less than what rows. How many rows? 3 rows. We have 3 rows, so it runs 3 times. Okay, and I plus plus, so we are increasing the value of I, and now we are going to create one more loops. I will explain you everything, don't need to worry about this. J is start from 0 and j is less than, what is the column, what is the value of column? 3. Okay, so j plus plus and j plus plus, and in this video, in this what we are going to do, we are going to assign c of I and j. Okay, we are going to assign what? So we can create one variable int values, value is equal to, I'm going to give the values 1. Okay, so here we can assign the values values and values plus plus. We are going to increment the value of matrix. So first time 1 is assigned into, so what is the value of, okay, I will explain you, don't need to worry about this. Okay, now okay, here you can see here the concept of how we are assigning values. So first time value is 1 and int I is starting from 0 and I is going to less than 3 and I plus plus, and in the next slope it will move on to next statement. So next statement is also a for loop, and in this for loop I int j start from 0 and j less than 3 and j plus plus. Okay, so first time what is the value of I value is 0, and what is the value of j value is also 0, so a 0 0, and we are going to assign the value of this value. So what is the value of this values? So value of this values is 1. First time the value of values is 1, so a 0 0 is assigned by 1, so 1 is assigned here. Now we are going to increment the values of values. So values is incremented by 2. So now what is the value of this value? So this value is incremented by 1. So now what is the value of values? So the value of values is 2. Next time I is what? 0. I 0, because we are going to iterate only this loop. This loop is not terminated till now. So what is the value of j is incremented by 1, because j is incremented by 1, so j value is 1 is less than 3. Okay, it's fine. So now what is the value of I is 0 and j is 1, because j is incremented by 1. And what is the value of values? Value is 2. So a of 0 and 1, the position of 0 and 1, what we are going to assign? We are going to assign values what? 2. So 2 is assigned here, 0 1 0 1, 2 is assigned, and now values is incremented by 1. So what is the value of values? Value is 3, and now this loop is not terminated till now, so this will iterate again. So this is incremented by 1. So what is the value of values? Value is 2, because incremented by 1, so j is equals to 2. So 2, okay, 2 is fine, and 2 is less than 3. Yes, okay, it's fine. So now what is the value of I is 0 and j is 2. So 0 2, and what is the value of values incremented by 1. So what is the value of value? So incremented by 1, so it is 3. So 3 is assigned where? 0 and 2. So 3 is assigned here. So 3 is assigned here. Now here we will print new line. So we will print here new line after this. Okay, so now j is incremented by 1, and j is incremented by 1 means j is 3. So j is equal to 0 3. Okay, fine. And j is less than 3? No, j is not less than 3, because 3 is not less than 3. So this loop will be terminated, and here the cursor goes here, and this I is incremented by 1. So now what is the value of I is 1, and 1, what is the value of I and j is again start from 0. So j is 0 and I is 1, so 0 and 1. So here it is 0 and 1, sorry, it is by mistake written here. So it is 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, the value is what? The value is now 4. So because the value is incremented by 1, so value is 4. So 4 is assigned here. So this is the concept here, this is the basic concept. So I'm going to create programs. So the values are assigned in this C two-dimensional array. In this array the values are assigned. Now we want to print this, so we want to print this, then we have to write the same for loops. Okay, so we will write the same for loops. Okay, so here for I start from 0 at JSON, but in this loop what we are going to do, we are going to print system system dot out dot print ln, not print ln, print only, because we are, what we are going to print, we are going to print C of I and J. So here what we are doing, okay, I will write one comment, printing the matrix. Okay, so here we are printing the matrix. Okay, and here we will write one more system dot out dot print ln for new lines, system dot out dot print ln, this print ln is for new lines. Okay, so this is a complete program. You should save it. So I will save it where, on my desktop. I have created one folder, for name of this folder is tutorials. Okay, so tutorials, yes, tutorials is here. So what is the name of my class? Name of my class, I think matrix, matrix matrix dot java. Okay, so I've saved my program, and I will open CMD and CMD. So I need to go into desktop, desk top, and java C, and here in desktop I have created one more folder, tutorials. Okay, so now I am in tutorials. So now I'm going to run my program. So matrix matrix java. So I think it should be successfully compiled. Yeah, yes, it is successfully compiled. So I'm going to run it. Okay, so here you can see the matrix 1 2 3 4 5. It is not visible clearly. So what we are going to do after this, I'm going to one tab space. Okay, so now if you will see again, then you can see it is okay. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay guys, so this is the concept of matrix, and you have one assignment. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to create two matrix and add them. Okay, so addition of two matrix, you have to create the program and comment it in my comment section. Okay, and if you have any problem regarding this video, then please comment me in the comment section. I will help you. I will try to help you always. Okay dear? So if you like this video, and if this video help you something, then please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, bye bye.